Good evening everyone. एक ल्हानसो video just to explain you all ki what is just come up right now. मातशें येदेशें ल्हानशें explain करपा म्हणून video काडटा. आतां आमी चोयलां just आमी चोयलां की there is a new party being registered known as Goa Congress Party applies for registration. हें चोय तुमकां चोवपा जाता. Don't know if you can see. Goa Congress Party they are registering this party, and anybody has objection within 30 days ये objection घालपा होय. Now the reason to come up with this video is म्हाक समजीकाय मेळना की आतां इलेक्शनाक 4 म्हयना हाय आनी ऑल ऑफ अ सडन हे 4 म्हयन्या ही हुंच पार्टी भायर सोलो आहा हांको वोट्स डिवायड करपा. Because and why only Goa Congress National Party? Why it is known as Goa Party, Goa Congress Party? We already have a Congress. There's a BJP. आणि हे कोण organization या कोण who's registering this ते गोंयचो मोग आसता जाल्यारू तो मनीस सगळे पार्टी ऑपोजिशन एकठांय आण युनायटेडली 1 versus 1 कोतालो. It has to be BJP versus one party to be fought. Sogle unite kon. Why again a division? Am sogle part choilo ha election bogle at mona there is a new party. Why? Just to divide people's vote. Ani a division zal motri. It is a way for BJP, easy way for BJP to win. कित्या हे vote divide zal motri ते जिखताय. आता 2 दीस पहिले Mr. Girish Chodankar GPCC president आगे video चोयला where he says कि BJP is funding 100 crores for a new party in South Goa. कित्या BJP खबर आहा South Goa ते केशे जिखनाय म्हूण and they want to capture South Goa. तेका लागोन so that means what he said is right today. कित्या आज चोवपा गेल जाल्यार there is another party as Goa Congress Party getting registered. And why only Goa Congress Party? Why the name is like Congress? My question to whoever is registering this तू कितलो गोंयचो मोग आसता जाल्यार न्हू तू वोट डिवायड कोनालो लोकांगेले. You should have sat and unitedly brought all of them one आणि one against BJP fight करपा. एश कोन डिवायड कोन तुमी सोद्दां BJP चान्स दिलो हा. In this we the people of Goa suffer. Please try to understand. It is आमी लोक सफर जाता हे वोट डिविजन जान. आत लोकां मदें कन्फ्युजन. अरे पोलिंग बुथा गेल जाल्यार हितू पार्टी चोयन अरे अ पर्सन ऑफ वोटर थिंग्स ओवर दे कोणा वोट मातशे कोणा कितकोचे आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड. आणि BJP गे हे हुंच न्यू टॅक्टिक्स या न्यू पॉलिटिक्स आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड. फकत सावथा कित्या टार्गेट करपा. सो बेसिकली लोकांन आतां हे मातशें मुखार येवन हें चिंतू जाय आनी हे कोणाकू हू इज रजिस्टरिंग दिस पार्टी प्लीज अंडरस्टँड डू नॉट डिवायड पीपल्स वोट. सगळ्या एकठांय कोराय वॉट एवर पार्टीज दे फ्रॉम काँग्रेस टू गोवा फॉरवर्ड टू आप टू RGP प्लीज गेट देम वन अँड लेट इट बी वन अगेन्स्ट BJP. आनी पार्टी आणा काय. डोंट रजिस्टर. यू ऑल आर प्लेइंग विथ people's faith. It's become a joke and mockery. And this is how the BJP easily wins. That's all that I want to say. Thank you.